keeps you from sleeping will be it hell or if it be glory.
I vow to devote myself to you and only you all the days of my life. I vow to lead our family with integrity and humility and reverence for the Lord. To be the kind of man who leads actively with patience, following the example of Jesus.
Maranatha, science fiction king, we come after, yes, in a rocket ring, we ourselves and not else safe cosmic lust. This frontier must greater commission be undone. Heal me by degree. Heal me by decree. Fear is found, be thou grounded. Heal me by decree.
I vow lifelong friendship with you. To come under you in service, beside you in all of life's adventures. I can't wait for years of laughter, joy, silliness, and fun, and always to grow in love and delight for you.
Dost thou not feel fed? Manage tempest, sing from a spaceship bed. Manna blessed our voyage brings. Hallelujah, praise every star-crossed kid. Try, we all did. Come on, darkness calls anon. Heal me by decree. Heal me by decree. Fear is founded, be I can do no crime. When I dance like I don't care, you call me Fred Astaire. Those eyes, damn those eyes, get me every time. Those eyes, in those eyes, I can do no crime. When I dance like I don't care, you call me Fred Astaire. All my idiosyncrasies, you like them, annoyed at all the little things. I know I can be frustrating, but you still like me when I'm dancing. Those eyes, damn those eyes, they get me every time. Those eyes, in those eyes, I can do no crime. When I dance like I don't care, you call me Fred Astaire. Those eyes, damn those eyes, they get me every time. Those eyes, in those eyes, I can do no crime. When I dance like I don't care, you call me Fred Astaire. When I lose myself, there's no one else who ever sees through me quite like you. Those eyes, damn those eyes, they get me every time. Those eyes, in those eyes, I can do no crime. When I dance like I don't care, you call me Fred Astaire.